This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You must act now. Power the MacBook down and remove any power source, then eject any removable media. Once done, place the MacBook on an ESD-safe mat and photograph the bottom screws and ports for orientation. Make sure to gather the right tools: Pentalobe/Torx drivers, plastic spudger, precision tweezers, soft brush, and 90% plus isopropyl alcohol. You're not drying it in rice. You're preparing for controlled disassembly to stop corrosion immediately and prevent further shorting. Next, you'll open the case and isolate power. Remove the back cover and disconnect the battery cable right away to prevent current flow. Once the board is accessible, examine the connectors and chips for green or white corrosion. You'll lift and remove modular components if needed for better access. Keep screws organized. Use 90% plus isopropyl and a soft brush to loosen deposits, swabbing gently and repeating until no visible residue remains. You're cleaning to restore conductivity and stop ongoing corrosion. When reassembling, make sure everything is dry and residue-free before reconnecting the battery as the last step. Reinstall components in reverse order, then power on and observe behavior: fan spin, LED, boot chime, or display activity. If it doesn't boot, power down and reseat all ribbon cables and connectors, then inspect for burned components or lifted pads. Replace corroded capacitors or connectors as needed. If symptoms persist, the key troubleshooting tip is to test the board with a controlled bench power supply to isolate failed rails before replacing the logic board.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.